Hey guys, in the previous session we seen how to kill a process by using the SID and serial number and identifying the process from OS level. Now we will see how to map the process ID from OS with the session ID in the database. I connected to a session, so consider this as an application session. Here I have this Beakway connection. So this is the process ID. So this is called as PID from OS level. As I already told you that in $v process we have a column called SPID. So we don't need to manually check all these sessions and identify the terminal, and here there is only one session, so we identified easily. But if there are multiple sessions, you cannot identify with the terminal, because there will be 50 or 100 of sessions with the same terminal name. So you cannot manually check one by one, right? So here what I'll be doing is I'll use the same query which we used previously. And I will join the $v process with the session, and I will filter it with SPID. So in the previous session we didn't identify the exact session, but we somehow indirectly identified the terminal and identified the process ID. So now I use this PID in this SPID column. So directly now you have identified the session and the session related details. So this is how you can directly pinpoint the session without checking for each and every details of the session. Okay, so now you can directly kill this session if you want. So again I stress on this point. From OS level, this will be considered as a PID, and from database level, in $v process view, this SPID is considered as the PID from the OS level. So you will be having another column called PID itself, but don't confuse that. This PID is something different, not the OS PID. So this SPID is the server process ID, which you need to map to identify the exact process. Say if I use the same command and I use PID over here, see, you get 0 rows, because this PID is something different and it is not related to the OS